What's up guys, you're welcome to another video. In our last video, we talked about how to photograph your products for WhatsApp business. And today, we'll be talking about how to write good product description for your products that are posted on WhatsApp business catalog. If you like mobile related content like this one, please subscribe so you don't miss out on all the pro tips that I'll be sharing on this channel. Let's jump right in. Look at a product description like this. You walk up to somebody with a product in hand and you hand it over to the person. By handing over the product, the person already has a visual representation of what that product is. But it is still necessary for you to explain to that person what you feel will be the benefits of the person buying that product. By way of a summary, that is what your product description does. So now, what are the things that would make up a good product description? First of all, you have to give the potential customer a backstory about that product. Where the product was manufactured, what material are the products made from, what are the other useful information that the person needs to know, what are the specific features that are built into that product, etc. After giving your customer a backstory about the product, the next thing you will go ahead to do is to spell out the benefits of owning that product. What will that product do for the person? What are the features and what are the different things that the potential customer can gain out of owning that product? Once you are done with that, go ahead and explain how owning that product will make your customer feel. Because in the long run, most people, what they are paying for when they are buying your goods is not just the good itself, but the way it makes them feel. So you also have to put them in that emotional place to understand how owning this product will make them feel. Also, do not forget to add a call to action in your description, because while going through the description, the person will be wondering whether or not that product is a good fit for him or her. So you have to encourage the person to start a conversation. Ask questions that the person will need answers to. That will compel your potential customer to start a conversation. And the aim of writing a good product description is to start a conversation. That conversation that will lead up to the person actually paying and receiving the product. I believe those are the most critical things that you need to put into consideration when writing your product description for WhatsApp business. Now, if this video was useful to you, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on all the mobile friendly content that will be coming your way in subsequent videos.